My name is Adam Delgado. I'm the director and founder at North Technology People. We're a technical recruitment agency dedicated solely to the Canadian markets for contract and permanent recruitment. And my focus is artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, software engineering, and analytics. I love the saying, you don't know what you don't know. So when I came across an opportunity to learn from other people, maybe some kind of mistakes and successes that other people have made, I thought it was perfect for me to learn from other people, basically. And it seemed like a good opportunity. So I reached out and here we are. I think being able to bounce ideas off other people has been really great. When you're kind of out on your own as a recruitment business owner, you're kind of it's the wild west. So it's really kind of, you do what you think is right, and you don't have any real direction. I mean, if it's just money and you're banging in deals, that's great. But it was good to have some people to kind of steer and direct some of my decisions and strategies. So I just found it was really useful in that regard to have other people in the similar situations and learning from them. And as I said, kind of, this worked great, I'm going to try that and kind of test it out for myself. I think it's just thinking about things differently. If you're still cold calling as a recruitment business owner, you're doing it wrong, man. I shouldn't say man. Ladies and gentlemen, you are doing recruitment business development wrong. There are much more progressive, successful ways to go about business development these days, rather than just calling up and saying, hello, I'm a recruiter. I see you're recruiting a front-end developer role. Have I got the candidate for you? That's old hat. That's 2000, you know what I mean? Where we're literally in the age now of training computers to think for ourselves. As a recruitment business owner or recruitment consultant, there are so much more modern, progressive ways. We've got our own internal competition with internal recruiters. And, you know, everybody's on LinkedIn. If that's your point of differentiation, I use LinkedIn Recruiter. Fantastic. So does every other recruiter on the planet. It's about differentiating yourself. And NLA has really helped me look at strategy, look at differentiating myself from my competitors. And it's been able to provide a lot of advice. And I won't be going back to this old style of BD, picking up the phone. We're in the middle of a recession, and my business has I've never been busier. And right. that's the truth. You can work in the business and on the business. Yes. I've always worked in the business, making phone calls, placing candidates. NLA has taught me to work more on the business, have systems and strategies and processes in place, so I can kind of step back and work in the business and still have these, my brand, and have clients coming to me instead of going to clients, which has been insanely useful and incredibly valuable, I'm sure, for any recruiter out there, having clients come to you. And I literally have seen that success on multiple occasions. And as I said, we're really busy and I'm at capacity now. So yeah, I suppose. I love a saying, so you don't know what you don't know. And I think going through the process and the experience with NLA has really showed me the difference of working on the business and in the business. It showed me how to create communities. It showed me how to define strategies and roadmaps and kind of look at the bigger picture. If we're just focused on making candidate placements, it's just a rat race. You're kind of going around and around in circles. So my advice to anybody out there thinking, should I invest in the NLA, I would say do it 100%. The return on your investment is going to be significant. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn things and processes and strategies that you probably haven't thought of before. And there's no shame in that. I mean, you have to want to make yourself better as well. I think it's like anything. You know, I could probably drop a couple of kilos. I'll pack on a few kilos for the sake of my business. I think if you want to if you're looking to grow and scale your recruitment business internationally, I think Belinda and the NLA certainly have some proven strategies. And processes and methods and different ways of thinking how to kind of run a recruitment business than is traditionally out there. And I'd say, yeah, just, bite the bullet, take a chance, and you'll see immediate return on your investment.
If you'd like to know more about what we do, what's a really good first step is just checking out our masterclass. It runs for about 90 minutes. It's absolutely packed full of a ton of information. It'll give you a really good sense of not just what we do, but whether that resonates with the way that you want to grow your business, absolutely get in touch and we can take it from there.